negosyo.
Alam ko pa nagkataon.
Kaya taron din yung
Let's go.
negosyo. Tanah ko training. Muay Thai.
Come on.
Ang
6.
tanong abilidad din siya.
Keep your hands up more. Keep your hands up. 7. 8. 9. Let's go. Tarungan na ito. Slice, slice. 10. Ayaw na. Ayaw na. Hindi isa. Elbow. Elbow. Let's go. 11. Katong giingon ganita. Go. Next. Now. We're gonna have a 4 movement this time. Left elbow. Right elbow. Right knee. Then I switch. Left knee. Okay? So 4 movement. Okay? Ready? Yeah. Let's go. Ready? Balance. 1. Uy. Switch. Ayaw gina. Buntutan. Okay? Orang nagbuhat ng rugi. Let's go. 2. Ayaw. Ayaw. One next. Will you drive your right knee? Right hands go down. Okay? Get it. Let's go. Get your hands up. Okay. 9. Marunong stars. Taas sa kamot. Gusto na kakamot mo na. 1 hand. Can you understand Bisaya? Okay. 11. Okay. Go down. Go, keep going. Gagawa pa natin, ma. So, wait. Pagtalunan din niya. Go, continue. Let's go. Don't kick when you're not ready. Okay, the situation you have is you're not ready. When you're ready, this is ready, no? This is ready. If your hands is down and everything is not ready. Do you understand? You kick. Okay. Again, Noah. Your turn, Noah. Pay attention. The guard, guard.
Hindi mo nga po na mausyon.
Pero nga yung proportion, ayaw pagdali. Take your time. Do you understand? Ayaw pagdali. Take your time. Take your time. Proportion ha, proportion. Alam na? Change that. You're gonna do change. Now, I'm gonna practice the lateral movement. Same thing. The cone will be in between of my leg. Okay? In between of my foot. So I keep my stance. Okay? Practice this one. Okay? Question. None? Did you understand the drill? Again, one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2. Kick. Yeah. Kick. Yeah. You understand? Move kayo dali. Then I go here. Relax. Papilot. Stop. Labay lang kamo siya. Sining kami. Kapila ng tulunan eh. Let's go. Let's go.
Ayaw pagtanaw sa ubos yun.
Iya. Ni. Iya. Ikas. Iya. Okay. Go up. Iya. Hit the pass. Okay? Listen, there's no opponent that they're gonna bring their face towards you so that you can hit them. You understand? You're the one gonna hit them. Okay? I'm not stupid to bring my face towards you so that you can hit me. Did you understand? So I'm not the one catching your elbow, you're the one catching my target. Did you understand? Okay, go. Yeah. Oh. Go again. Yeah. Again. Yeah. Hit. Yeah. Yes. Lean forward. I mean, hips forward, lean back a little. Yeah. Go up. Right knee. Yeah. Because. Yeah. Come here. Let's go. Up. Yeah. Elbow. Yeah. Knee. Go up. Ayaw ginawag ang duwa ka kamot. Only this one to one side. Okay, go knee. Yeah. Yes. That side. Yeah. What na? Okay. Keep your hands up. Elbow. Yeah. Elbow. Yeah. Right knee. Yeah. Taas kamot. Left knee.